2014 Cadillac CTS-V, really in a twin turbo V6. So he's got some high flow cats on it, which is a cool. So it's gonna make it sound better there and there. And it has this crossover pipe right after the cats, right there for better performance. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe out the back into a factory X pipe in the back, in the middle, instead of a resonator, right there. Then 2.25 pipe, and we continued that 2.25 out the back on each side. And we put 2 vibrant resonators on it, part number 1792s. There'll be a link in the description, and completed his tailpipe. Put new ones on there on each side, because the tips are built into the rear diffuser or rear bumper, as you guys can see right there. So there'll be a link in the description for the vibrance, guys. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And this is the muffler we cut off of it. He wanted a lot more flow out of it, which I don't blame him. As you guys can see, this thing is huge. There it is. So he just lost about 70 pounds. Had muffler bypass surgery. Right there. Give it a guess. This is what it'll sound, the sound decibels on it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 102. Go ahead and back it up. We'll blend in. CTS-V. It does sound good. It's deep. That sounds so nice. Because of the turbos, man, it cleans the sound out. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. CTS-V V6 twin turbo is pushing around 500 horse, he said. That rattle is that turbo rattling, so he's gonna get that fixed next. That was a nice little pop.